The secret to sunny side up eggs and eggs that are over easy is low heat. So it doesn't matter how you could butter up the pan, or you can hit it with oil, whatever you guys like. Put enough, low heat, it doesn't stick to the bottom, and that will keep everything from getting burnt as well. But the low heat is the key to the whole thing. So really low heat, and we're just gonna let it slowly, slowly see how all the white's coming in. Okay, so the lower the heat, the better. Let me show you guys, like, see how low the heat is right there. Very low heat. So be patient when you're doing this. Be patient when you're doing sunny side up. Be patient when you're doing over easy. You see how they're coming up? Look at that. Nice.